Bullish. In fact, give me 1 second. That's how bullish this is. I need to make sure my... Oh shit. Holy shit, what's up, man? I did not realize everyone would be joining so fast. Came for the early stream. Let me I need to fix this chat box. I thought it would be a little like easier to read, but I guess not. Let's put this white, and then we'll put the text bigger. Hold on, let me see. Can I can't bring this out anymore. Why won't it show more of Oh, you know what? It's because I put that border on it. We do not need this border. Or this. Alright. I think that's better. Alright, cool. The YouTube chat is on stream. I have, I think I'm trying to... Let me just put this onto Twitch real quick, and then we can get started on this. Alright, cool. We are live on there. Alright. So we're going to start off with the coin market cap right now real quick. We're down 9.20% over the last day in the whole crypto space. We got a 43,000 Bitcoin, 3,300 Ethereum, Binance coin hitting 514, Cardano at 207, Dogecoin 48. So the top 5, only 500 down. That's not bad. Alright, well, let me just open into this. So, let me fix this one too. I don't know why I did this. None. There we go. This is perfect right here. Alright, so I'm gonna lower this chat a little bit just so we can see more of this chart. So I drew up these harmonics earlier. Alright, I have to move my car real quick. Give me 1 second. Sorry, my mic was muted. Alright, I'm back. Sorry. Had to move the Lambo real quick, you know. Too many gains. Can't let them scratch the Lambo outside. So anyway, as I was saying, I drew these harmonics earlier. I don't really know the harmonics that well, but I was watching a video yesterday showing me like a little cheat sheet, which I'll put on the screen right now so we can look together. So we got this yesterday off of one of the crypto people I use, and it gives us the ranges for like A to B, B to C, and C to D, which will give us an estimate of where the next dip will be for Ethereum. And Ethereum will be hitting the 3,000 range. Will be hitting 3,000. We're not going to stay up here for long. We're overshooting. We're overselling and everything. Right now we're underselling with this BB. But I'm going to look a little bit more into this harmonic thing and see if I can get a more accurate one and we can get the ranges. But before we get into that, I just want to go over another thing that I was looking into today. That let me fix camera. All right. Let's go to CoinMarketCap again, and I'm going to show you secret goo that I've been told by my inside sources, okay? Inside sources, super bid. $4.87. What was that? $10 April 21st. Coming off this jump, 10 times their money. So, Superbid is aiming towards influencers. And I don't know if any of you guys know, but the influencers have on TikTok and all these other places have really been in on the crypto space. They're on Superbid. And I'm gonna show you one more thing right now. So, what was I gonna do? Hold on. Oh yeah, 1 second. 1 second. I'm just gonna put the stream on everywhere so that people know that I'm watching. I mean that I'm streaming. I'm just gonna send this link out, and then we can get started on this. Music. Forgot about the music. Music's gonna make us vibe out a little more. Royalty-free music. Do not flag me, please. I'm gonna put the volume down because apparently yesterday the stream was pretty loud. Let me know how that's sounding over there. If it's too much, if it's too loud, too low, whatever. Okay. We got a few more watchers now. Now let me send this. Sending out link now. If anyone wants to send it to any Reddit chats, that would be lovely right now. Just posting this link out. I did not want to go to Twitch, Twitter. All right, we're getting it out. We're getting out there now. So everything's posted. Just need to post on the Instagram, and we'll be good. I'm gonna add my links on my channels soon, so people could follow me. But I'll go into that later. I'm just gonna wait for more people to come back in here. I want to make sure Holy Chit is here and my man's Goo before I go into this. But this is, look at this. This is on 2000 watch list. It's really low market cap. What is this right here? The CMC has not verified the project's market cap. However, according to the project itself, reported CS is, what is that, 4 million? 84 and 30 super bid with a self-reported market cap of 20 million. 20 million, right? So small market cap, 20 million. But I haven't even showed you the best part yet, okay? So I did this earlier today just to test it out and see what it's all about, right? So they're targeting influencers. Superbid is a social auction app that connects influencers with their fans. With Superbid, users have the opportunity to participate in thousands of auctions set up by influencers. Sorry. So I know you've probably seen the news of all the celebrities like shilling these tokens, like the Jake Paul token, as Rocket, all those meme coins. Meme coins are just here to confuse the general population on what to buy, because they're gonna see so many tokens. They don't know what to do. The people aren't gonna do their due diligence. People aren't gonna do their own research, and it's just gonna get a lot of people out of them, take people's money. But it's gonna bring it into space, and the people that are stuck to the space after being introduced to the space, we'll just have it grow. We'll have ourselves growing. 2 million microcap. 2 trillion market cap still. Bitcoin dominance 40%. The gas fees right now for Ethereum are so low. And that's why I'm going to show you this right now, because of how good it is. But I'll get into it right now. Let's go. I forgot to post this on my Instagram. Let me post this on Instagram. So we're gonna just post this one more time right here. Link in bio. We're starting an early stream today. I was up. I had to do the gas fees for Ethereum were too high last night, so I didn't want to do this play I was just showing you guys, because the Ethereum fees were at $60 when I found out about this. $60, sorry, 60 GWEI, whatever you want to use that increment of measure for. But it was like at one something, like 123. So I decided that I'll just wait. I was like, I transferred my Ethereum out of my centralized exchange and put it into my MetaMask. But then the gas fees went too high, so I was just like, you know what? I'm going to pass on the night and do it in the morning. So I woke up really early, and I saw the gas fees were low, and I was boom, straight to my computer. Let's do this. So I just need to grab this link real quick. Alright, so Superbid, right? I posted my stream now, now everything's taken care of. I'll add links to my socials in the description soon. I don't want to do it right now, I already did too much today. Figuring out how to add this chat box, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I just been lagging on it. So, Superbid. Market, right? Uniswap? Whitebit. It's on these two exchanges. Only these two exchanges. So let's go back to the overview, and we can see Started out this year. So we're right here. Boom. People went to $5. All this volume. And then some people took 10. Some people got to $10. A lot of people took profits. And now we're on the downtrend. Boom, 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 boom. We're still on this downtrend, I believe. I'll look up into it more, but we don't have that much more data on it because it's not on TradingView. The only way it's on TradingView is through Uniswap's wrapped Ethereum, so that's going to be a hard price to determine. So let's just skip that and go into the details again. Has anyone heard of Whitebit? I've never heard of Whitebit. So, let's say you have whatever amount of Ethereum, right? Bitcoin is causing a fat downtrend right now. But we're out of Bitcoin season, right? Let me show you the chart I drew up yesterday for Bitcoin. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, yeah, I did. I don't know why it doesn't save, why it doesn't delete these when I delete them, but whatever. Let's take out these session breaks. I don't want that much blocking our view. Let me delete some of the details right here. Okay. So we're gonna fall a little more on Bitcoin, I believe. We might even go like somewhere around here. We're gonna keep dipping down for a little bit, and then we're gonna ride up. We're gonna ride up to 100K. When we ride up to 100K, that's when the bear market is gonna start. Once we correct here for a little bit, trade sideways, come back, we're gonna hit the 100K. No doubt about hitting the 100K. It's just about what happens after that, right? After that, we're gonna expect a normal trading range of around 50 grand. So we're gonna lose about half. Well, we're not gonna find the support here for a while. We're just still on this downtrend. So I don't think our next support would be for right here if we're gonna test it. Let's see. I want to get rid of this, and then I want to hide the view of this. I'm gonna switch to the line chart real quick. I think we're on support right now. Well, right here around this area. Like right here. Let's try to get into some ranges for Bitcoin and see where it's headed, right? Alright, so we have a possible support right here. Yeah, like right there. Candle hits it, comes back. Broke it, stayed above. Opened on it. Finished off. Opened on it again. Boom. Or closed on it. Then we opened on it. And then we just rode this out, right? So boom. That's where we're at right now. We fought this support, we bounced off, and then we opened up here. So now let's see where we're gonna fight it. If we can fight it and come back up. It's not what I wanted to do. Another area we had a break. Let's see. That's not the tool I wanted to use. right? Let's see. I guess here. So we're in this range right now. I believe we're getting boxed in right here for a little bit. And then another dip. I think right here we'll be trading for a little bit. Not the highlighter. Boom. We're looking. This is what we're looking at Bitcoin, I believe, because it's just gonna keep falling. Anyway, I keep getting sidetracked from Superbid. 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 Okay. So we're gonna click here. I want to turn off my. What is this? Oh shit. What is this right here? Create QR code. Install coin market cap. Why would I? I'm not installing that. I just want to turn off my MetaMask real quick. Because I don't want anything to open up. I don't want any of my public or private keys to open up. I hope that didn't show anything either. Just doing that. Nah, it shouldn't have. Anyway. We're gonna go click the Superbid.io. Come to Superbid.io. You can earn up to 160% APR on this, right? Buy on Uniswap, buy on Whitebit, we saw that. You can also buy this straight through MetaMask, which is what I did because of the I think the slippage was like 50% or something on Uni, so I figured I would just do it on MetaMask with whatever the slippage was, which was way less. So we're gonna go to staking. When you go to staking, it's just a little button's gonna pop up. It says enable staking. You don't have to deposit it. Buy dip now or wait on what drugs? Which chart are you talking about, or which coin? Because right now I'm on Superbid. So Superbid, you're gonna get 80% APY. Vet's gone. I don't think Vet's gonna come back up. We're at 15 XLM and ETH. For ETH, do you have any open positions right now on ETH and or XLM on Stellar Lumens? I'll do both of those right now. If you have any entry points that you have right now, so I can like base it off of from there, so we can analyze what your dollar cost average would be if we're gonna buy this dip. Because if you're already in and you're trying to dollar cost average lower, I would definitely buy right now and just buy today, and then maybe in a week. Holding a full coin on ETH. Do you know when you got it? Like at what price? If you got it like higher up here, then it depends. Because if you're too high on ETH, I would buy more now, just so you can get your dollar cost average as low as possible. Because we're gonna see this fluctuate. 26, 32, and 4,000. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's do your average real quick, just a rough estimate, and we'll see where you're at. BNB is a good one if you're still into those exchanges. Let's open up. I just want to find a general like average for your thing. Wow, you're still in profit then. So you're. All right. Let's see. So you did 2,600, and then you did 3,200, 3,500, and then 4,000. Let's divide that by 4. So 3325. Around there. Around there is your average. Let's just do some analysis from this price, right? Average entry price. And we'll do this white just so we can. So this is your average entry price. Oh wait, I didn't even put the coordinates of 3325. Okay, 3325. Just a rough. So right here, 3325, you actually are in a very good average if we were still uptrending on this. Because you can see this is literally on the support right here where we were trading sideways for a little bit right here. So ideally this is a great entry point if we were still in this like bear market, right? Because look at all this consolidation that happened right here on the 4-hour. So there was a majority of the trading going on here, and that's where your average price is. And then we got the shoot up, correction. So we're actually hitting the support on your average buy-in actually of 3325. We're like $50 away from it. So it depends on what this candle's doing, but it looks like we're overselling right now, and we should have a correction going back to equilibrium. So if I had the position of ETH you had, let's see what we're hoping for, right? If we want this to make as much gains as possible, we're gonna bring this fib, right? So this is where we're at. This is where our last high was. We're trading around the entry point and this. I think we're gonna have something a little bit more steeper of a correction. So if you don't, like, obviously it could do whatever it wants, right? It's Ethereum. I think you should buy in portions. I would buy in portions, but like at this point right now, we can go either way, because on this BB, we're already hitting overselling levels. We've been past equilibrium and we're underneath 50. We can't stay down forever, right? So I think picking up some here would be good. Like, I wouldn't buy the full thing. I would do, what's it at? What's that? 335? You have enough for a full one? Maybe like maybe a quarter or half right now? A quarter or half right now would not be good, just to like get your average really well, so that you're not worried about a dip. And then when there's a dip, you can put in the rest of that money in and just keep bringing your dollar cost average lower. Because honestly, this is a good entry point. If you bought around, like, you were buying around this area, you were able to dollar cost average into a good range, you know? Because we've been in this range right here, right? Let's see, your average entry price right there. We're basically fighting your entry price range. If we go to the day chart, I'm gonna delete this fib, but I can make one later. If you can get more closer to this end wick, I would go in half. I would go in half of what you have right now. This is not financial advice. This is personally what I would do. If I was in that position of an entry point on Ethereum, I would for sure put in another like half order of what I have in my portfolio, just to test this support, because this is support. It looks like we have the support over here on the 4-hour, obviously. On the 4-hour. So I would say do a half now, half later. Personal opinion, not financial advice. But I know someone else in here was asking about. Oh, you also said Stellar Lumens. I'll go to Stellar Lumens first, because I know Stellar's a good one. Stellar's. What's your entry point on Stellar? It looks like why is it Coinbase like the main one? So we're all on XLM, just interested since market is red. Oh, okay. All right, we'll just do a quick analysis on this right now. I'll do it on the 4-hour. We'll do it on the 4-hour, and then if you want to get into like a position now, I'll do a quick like 15-minute one, and then we can do a minute one and try to find a good range to get in, like in the recent future. So let's see. I'm just gonna try to get like a rough range of what we're doing here, and then we'll go in more. So it looks like consolidation here. I'll edit it more right now. So this, can we be seeing this right here? Consolidation period around here. Let's see, maybe a little lower, like right here. I'm gonna put back the candles. I just want to see more information right here. I just go around here, right? We'll use this as our line for our range. It'll be like right there. Let me zoom in. I want to see what these wicks are doing. That's about right. Okay, so we had this consolidation period, and what were we fighting a majority of? Majority right here. I'm gonna delete this now. Let's just say right here. And then where else did we fight around? Right here. This is what would be another support line. Probably like right here. And then right, let me change this color so I can know that we're in a different group of ranges. And then it seems like right about here. Maybe a little higher, like right there. And then here. Right here, right? Let's see what the, like, this should probably align with my fib right here past on the previous consolidation. Let's see how accurate this is. It's just a little bit off, right? Let me see. So from this consolidation phase, we're already on 0%. So I believe we're hitting another consolidation. Right now, it's going to trade sideways. You see, we're trading along this zero. It's a red market. It's down on equilibrium. Honestly, I'm feeling bullish on XLM. This Stellar Lumens, right? Stellar Lumens is for sure gonna pop. This is like a very like just boom, 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 boom. We're trading on the day. We're above trading. We're in equilibrium on trading. Right now is a good entry point. I would say good entry point. We are at all-time highs though. That's the only issue, because as we saw with Ethereum, we kept hitting all-time highs and what? It just kept going up. So I don't see a strong downtrend coming in on XLM anytime soon. And if it does, we can average down, right? So let's say we're buying right here. Well, I'm gonna draw a line right there. So even if we do dip, if we dip down a little bit, let's get some ranges, right? I don't want that. I want right here. We're buying around this area. So this should be the area we're going to trade in right now. Let's see, what did this do? This had a big dip right here. So actually, just based on this RSI and this previous information, we're headed towards a downtrend. So maybe it might not even be in this area. It might be like around here where this consolidation will happen. Like this. Around this area. And then we can break out. downwards, but we can also go up, because right here it had this little downtrend, but then it faked it out coming towards equilibrium and bounced back up. So it looks like right here, it looks like we're gonna hit equilibrium because we're so close to it, and the RSI is trending downward, and we're overselling. So maybe a dip into this area, consolidate for a little bit because we're gonna trade sideways, as we can see from the RSI, and then go down or up. It depends on what's gonna happen in the next candles, but we're for sure hitting a consolidation phase. So there's gonna be a big consolidation phase before the next major price movement. So it's on you, like right now. You want to take the risk where this becomes, where this consolidates, goes up and continues to reach new all-time highs, or you just wait it out and see what more information we get after this consolidation. But right now it's following this fib correctly, right? Like it's literally one area, tries to peek out, doesn't do it, trades in this area, fakes out downward, comes back into the area, boom, we're in the next zone. Fight for, we go straight up. What is this one right here? If we go from right here, where is this, like right here? So we passed this zone, and then we just skipped all these zones, hit the zero, and then we had a correction. Consolidation. Break off these zones past the 0%. I mean the 0%. We come back down to correct. And now it's looking like this, actually. No, just a little less steep, just more rounded in. Let's see. I can't get a trend line here. Let's go 1 hour. It's looking a lot like this. Like it's just continuing following this pattern, right? Like it's not going too steep. It's just gradually growing up. Let's go this one. And I want to see the Heikinashi on this. This gives us a better, like, a better view. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't want the source code on that. How do I exit that? I don't want that. Okay, whatever. We'll just ignore that. I just wanted to turn these off real quick. Let's try to draw a trend line for this. It's a little too, not enough information right here on this hour. Something like this probably. Something along this line on the hour, and then break trend somewhere up here, consolidate, and then wherever this range will be, trade, and then either come back down or come back up. If you're really like, if you want to just take a position, just take a little bit in right now. Watch the candles go and see how bullish or bearish you are on it, so you can continue putting money in and continue having a great dollar cost average. It's better to just go in dollar cost averaging all the time, since like you've been doing with Ethereum, because that's a very good entry price that you got in on Ethereum, especially now. Do you happen to have any like cold storage wallets, or do you just straight up keep them on like exchanges? Because that's a lot of Ethereum. I would definitely be hodling that as much as possible, especially having a whole Ethereum. That's like a main goal right there for a lot of people, just to get a whole complete Ethereum. What is the XLM on here? XRP is a very good buy as well. Stellar Lumens is 14 on here. It's down 9%, down 11. What's the all-time high? Is 70 cents. So we're still kind of in all-time high. Ledgers are good. I have no issues with ledgers or like the other brands, but I have a Trezor. I just got the Trezor. I just wanted to try it out. I saw a lot of people advertising the Ledger. I didn't really like the little flip thing, and it looked too like it looked like it would break off that flip thing. So I got the Trezor because it's just a little tiny box, no flipping required, and it's touchscreen. So it's like it felt a little easier for me. But they're all relatively good. Just know, if you are interested in getting a wallet, do not get it off Amazon. Do not get it off anywhere else. Just literally, if you cannot go shop Ledger, only get it from here. Definitely only get it from here. Do not go to Amazon. Any person says, "Oh, I got it. I got like a, like, what is there? They have like deals like this one. Look, they got, oh, I got a family pack. You want to get one for like, what is this? 3 for 139. That's cheap." He's like, "I'll give it to you for 50 bucks. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Just pay the full, either 150 or whatever this is, 69 for this crypto starter pack. It even gives you $25 of a voucher to get crypto. Just don't buy off anyone else besides Ledger or Trezor. And you can look through both of these websites. I'll put a link in my description soon. I'll put all these helpful links. So I got this one, Trezor Model 2. It's not that, these aren't that big of a difference. It says it has all these other coins, but on the Trezor user interface, they don't have access to all these. Like I don't know where can I store Cardano. You see, they're all like different wallets. Like Trezor Suite is the actual like software or hub that comes with the Trezor, and these other ones are like external wallets, like Exodus. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of it, Exodus. But here's just order your thing. Do not open any emails from them. Like I know Ledger for sure had a hack. They had their information leaked, like emails and addresses and stuff like that. So I was just like, you know what, probably stay away from it. I know it's probably nothing, it happens, databases get attacked just like Facebook or like YouTube, anything. But I was like, I'm not feeling it. I was already not feeling the design on it, so I was like, I'll just go to Trezor. They might have had the same thing happen to them, because I ordered the Trezor and I had this whole issue with it. Like it was a big issue because I tried to pay for it in Bitcoin, and I sent too much Bitcoin. Or no, alright, I originally sent too little Bitcoin because I didn't have enough to cover the transaction fee or something. I don't know if it went up, if it was just congested during that time. But I sent it, and then I got an email saying, I got a error saying, oh, you didn't have enough for the gas fee. And I was like, what the hell? So it just said send over 0.00001 whatever Bitcoin. So I tried doing that through my Cash App, I believe it was, and it was like, you cannot send anything less than 0.001 Bitcoin. And I was like, what? I had to send that much Bitcoin? I think I only owed like $3 of the transaction fees. And I was like, oh my god. I sent him the whole 50. I sent him the rest of that Bitcoin I had, the whole 0.1, just so I can cover the transaction fee. And I was mad. I was like, oh, I lost so much money. I paid extra on this. But then they refunded me the next day saying like, oh, you overpaid for this. We're sending, what wallet would you want this sent to? So they got back the difference minus transaction fees. Of course, it kind of sucked, but it's better than just losing out all the money and not getting the Trezor. So I did that. What's it called? What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Hold on. Oh, and then I got an email saying it got my shipping, my tracking, and then I clicked it. It said it's on its way, whatever. And I didn't check my email for a few days, and I was like, my treasure should be getting here, right? It's been a few amount of time, and then I had an email. I had like 6 emails saying, order been canceled, order been canceled, order been canceled, whatever. And I was like, what? My order hasn't been canceled. Like, I have the tracking number right here. I'm literally able to just go to click the tracking number and see where it's coming. It's on its way. It's already near my house. So I just had those 6 emails, and I was tripping out, and I was like, well, I guess it's possible that they just grabbed my email from Ledger. Like, they probably fucking, like, I don't know, they hacked their database or whatever, wherever they keep all this information. They were just like trying to send me phishing emails, and I was like, if they cancel it, they cancel. I'm not touching that email. I literally left the email there, and I was like, if it's canceled, it's canceled. I'm not doing any more than that. I'm not gonna answer. I'm not gonna risk anything else. So I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna wait on this shipping. Shipping got here. Everything was fine. I did not get refunded Bitcoin. I did not get refunded anything. I got my treasure. Everything seemed normal, and I was just like, okay, that's fine. So I just been using it. I've stored a little bit on it. I've been experimenting with it, but it's definitely very good to have, because if you're on exchanges, it'll take forever to get your coins off of it. I mean, implying you're gonna like switch them from the exchange and do what, like, all this other stuff I'm showing you right now, because this requires you to get your, yeah, don't click any links, just do your thing, look at the shipping, and then as soon as you get it, just boom, ignore Ledger's emails, ignore everything that's like asking you to do something, because I don't want to risk you guys getting like fished out of anything, because crypto space, very scary space, very scammy, a lot of scamming people. You just have to really know what you're doing, and you have to be very careful, and just try not to do so much on one transaction. You know, try to test the waters a little bit. Be like, okay, I'll put in like 25% of my whatever and test this wallet out, or test this exchange out, or test the decentralized exchanges, test margin, test liquidity, test yield farming, because there's so much you can do, and there's so many ways that you can just lose money. That's why a lot of people just hold. Like, holding is just, the only money you're gonna lose is the amount of money that you like put in, right? You're either gonna make money or you're gonna lose money, but you're only gonna lose that initial investment. Here, there's so many things. You can send it to the wrong address. You can send it to the wrong wallet. You can send Ethereum to a Bitcoin wallet on accident because you didn't know, like, they're different wallets even though they're on the same program. Too many things that can happen. So you gotta really know what's going on. You gotta really be paying attention, because boom, anything could happen. Like this, I'm just testing this out too. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I saw some videos on it last night. The 80% APY is too good. Let me see. I'll show you right now. I did this morning. I didn't do it that much. I'll show you, like, I'm just gonna see what I can show you. If it doesn't show my let me see, how much do I have? I just don't want to show like a wallet. I'll just take a screenshot of it, actually. One second. Ooh. All right, I figured it out. Give me 1 second. Why does it keep doing that? Sorry, hang on, just give me a second. I don't want this. Sorry, I don't know what's going on here. 1 second. Oh, appreciate it, Drugs. Appreciate you supporting my channel. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be streaming almost every day. I literally stream almost every day. So I put this in this morning, literally right before I streamed. I put this in. I woke up, put this in. I'm gonna go take a shower, and I just came back, started the stream. Right. I put around maybe just something small, you know, like 300. I put 300 of this. I got Ethereum. I bought like around 3 something. Transferred my Ethereum into my MetaMask up here. Then from here, oh, it won't even open on there. So I changed my MetaMask from, I transferred to MetaMask. Went on MetaMask. MetaMask has a swap option now. MetaMask has a swap option now. I just put it in there, swapped it. I swapped like, I couldn't swap all of it because I had to pay for Ethereum gas fees, and even though they were low this morning, I still had to pay like $50 because there's no other way to get super bid besides a decentralized exchange or a swap. I put in around 45 coins. Yeah, like 45 coins. 45 coins, and then instantly I got 1.24 coins at 590. Because what's the price at right now? It's going down, 475. You see that? You guys will get a better entrance point than me if you go in now. And you can see right here, around 50 tokens. And it's not even been a day. Barely even been a couple hours. 1.24 tokens, 590, because it's 476. Oh, I didn't even see you guys on Twitch, my bad. I did not see you guys there. Hey, what's up, man? Alright. You bought 2 more ETH last night when it dropped to 3,200. Let me get rid of some of this stuff on here. $3,200 is a good price for Ethereum. I think the most will dip for Ethereum is 3,000. So if you want to pick up more, I would pick up more around that time. Shiba? Oh, you guys all dipped. Hey, Major. Hey, I did not see your thing there. I'm sorry. I will try to keep both streams on there. But let me see. Let me just take this off, take this off. Oh shit, I don't want to delete that. Okay. $3,200 is a good price for Ethereum. I would definitely. That's a good buy. You got 2 more Ethereum last night when it dropped to 32. That's a very good. Cardano's good. Cardano's on a sale right now. You know, let me check if my because I transferred some Cardano out of I followed some Cardano. I mean, I bought some. I sold. Let me redo this sentence. I transferred Cardano out of my Voyager into one of my wallets, and I want to check if it's on there. There we go. That worked. I'm glad that worked. Really? It still has not deposited my Cardano for some reason. Oh, hold on, sorry. Everything is scary right now, you know? Everything's really down there. I believe this will be a short stream for now. I think we might check in later. I just want to do, I need to mine some fiat because if this is gonna sustain at this low, there's a lot of good entry points to get into. Like EOS, beautiful buy. Beautiful buy. This is a smart contract, isn't it? Yeah, smart contract. It's on the, oh, it's because of the Binance lawsuit. This is really good. Like, look at this. Look at this chart. If you don't have access to this, I suggest you find a way to get EOS. EOS will double your money, guaranteed. Oh, it's because so many people on Coinbase have it. The majority of it's on Coinbase. I guess a majority of the volume is on Coinbase. No, not even. But why is the price to change it on Coinbase so high? And to lower it, it's so cheap. This looks like some manipulation to me. Look at Binance. It's less to move the price up. I mean, Wabe. Look at Binance. It's even less to move it up. BitThumb, even less. Not even less, just less. But then Coinbase Pro. Why is it 851,601 to go up 2%? Yeah, still need to work. Still gotta get that fiat. This is really good. I don't have that much in my portfolio right now. Everything's just, I'm trying to make use of this for sure. Just so I can experiment a little, you know? I highly just suggest Superbid. At least try it out. Oh, you're out shopping with a Superbid? I got you. So Superbid. This is what I was talking about at the beginning. STMX. Let's see what STMX. I've never heard of STMX. StormX. Is this like a media loyalty. Storymax is the first global crypto-based solution to reach the world as a mobile app and browser system to bring users cash back in crypto for most of their online purchases with entrepreneurs. No, it's not. It's not like a loyalty program. It's for influencers. I don't know if you've seen like the recent influx of people on TikTok and all these other social medias like shilling out these coins. It's something similar to that. It's like everyone's getting into the market. Hold on. Sorry, 1 second. So, anyway, it's a social auction app that connects influencers with their fans. With Superbid, users have opportunity to participate in thousands of auctions set up by influencers. So, I guess it's just to auction off like social things. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's social media is where a majority of these like people are coming from. Like there's a lot of influencers that are getting into crypto. So this is probably a good one to get into, but this is not even the main thing I was talking about, because yeah, it's a low market cap coin. We're in the median of the past 24-hour high and low. The market, you can only get it on Uniswap and Whitebit, which is sketchy as hell because it's very little exchanges to be on, but it's a risk because of this high reward, right? If we go on here, Superbid, right? Superbid.io, Superbid on CoinMarketCap, click the link to Superbid.io, which is their official website. And if we go to their official website, you can see you can earn up to 160%. So let's go to staking. So we're at staking. You connect one of your wallets, whatever it may be. I have MetaMask, so I'm just gonna open this up real quick and I'm gonna show you what I did. So this morning, let me start. Last night, I converted to Ethereum, transferred my Ethereum into my MetaMask wallet. MetaMask has a swap feature. I swapped the Ethereum in MetaMask for Superbid because it was cheaper than going on Uniswap. I did that. I connected my wallet to this Superbid website that I found from Superbid.io link on CoinMarketCap. Went over here, click staking. I connected my wallet. I think will show up, right? It will show up right here. Connect wallet. I just have mine off because I don't want my address being showed. So I did that. You don't have to deposit any of the coins in here. It just has to have access to your MetaMask wallet. So you would just put apply staking or whatever it says right here. You apply staking, and then you instantly start earning the 80% APY. So you're getting 80% a year based on your investment, and I believe it's compound interest. I think it just depends when you take it out. So this is what I did. This morning at like 6:30, I woke up, saw Ethereum gas at 60 GWEI, whatever you want to call that, and I was like, cool, you know, this is a good opportunity for me to do my conversions, because Ethereum, I think I had to pay like $120 last night to do any conversion. So I was like, I'm not doing all that. I'm just gonna wait on it a little bit, wait till the gas fees go a little lower. Waited for the gas fees to go lower, saw it this morning, jumped on real quick before the stream, inputted like around 45 tokens of Superbid onto this staking, and then it pays you out instantly. So I'll explain a little more right now too. So this is what I did. I put in 55 tokens at like 6:30. Already off the bat, like literally, I got 1 token, right? Let me see. Where is my widgets? So I got $1. I cannot speak. 124 Superbids, which is around $5.90, right? Because that's what Superbid is at right now. 472. I have 1 1/4 of that. So it says now we also have Uniswap liquidity rewards. So if you were to provide liquidity for this pair with like Ethereum or whatever you want to do, so you would do maybe Superbid 50%, and then ETH. Maybe that would probably be the best one. So if you provide liquidity, if you do 50% in dollar value, of Ethereum to Super, then you will also be getting 160% APY on whatever your liquidity provided for. So you can stake some Superbid right here for 80%. You don't have to move it anywhere. You can take it out whenever. You can unstake. You can just move your Superbid, just move it out the wallet, and it won't literally not be an issue. It won't. You have it somewhere else. Put it in your cold storage, right? Or
started a podcast in the morning.
You can also do liquidity, which is a higher rate than just staking.
Stay in the loop even when you're offline. Try YouTube Premium on us.
It's the liquidity they're after. At the end of the day, a lot of these projects need liquidity. Because if everyone tries to sell, what are they gonna do? What's gonna happen if there's no liquidity? If there's no liquidity in a lot of tokens that you're invested in, like what's gonna happen when everyone decides to sell those tokens? There's not gonna be enough money for all those tokens to be sold, right? So people are gonna be left with worthless coins that have no value because there's no liquidity. So if they want their projects to take off, they're gonna give you incentives, right? So like, okay, I want this to be a sustainable project. I want this literally to be the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok of blockchain, or blockchain. Or on the Ethereum network, whatever. It wants to be the new social media of Web 3.0, because that's all we're doing here. The whole purpose of all this space is to create a new internet, Web 3.0. So if they're confident in their project, then they have no issue paying the 80% for people staking so they're able to do things, to make nodes and whatever it is they do. They want to give 160% so there's liquidity, so people can transfer Ethereum into Superbid or whatever coin they want to do, whatever pair they want to do. Because if you don't have any liquidity on these decentralized exchanges where you're going to find a majority of these new upcoming coins, then it's just going to be, they're going to be too valuable. It's going to be too expensive because there's not going to be a lot of liquidity. There's not going to be many people putting up their money in these decentralized exchanges so that more people can get access to it. So that way, eventually, the more markets put it on, the more it gets adopted, you know? That's why they give these 80. They want the early people, like, okay, you're confident in our project too. We're going to pay you out 80% just for staking. And if you're going to do the double, if you're going to actually add to the liquidity, they're going to give you double that. It's over a year though. Remember that. This is not like every month 80%. It's 80% over a year, which is still a lot compared to like plenty of different places you get interest on, like any bank. Because it's 80% divided by 12. So you're getting around 6.66%. So let's just do what I did, right? So Control C. Just do 45 plus Control V %. So 3 coins. Should be 3 coins a month. I should be getting 3 coins a month. And I believe if it is compound interest, then I don't think it's compound interest, because I don't know if you saw on the picture that I had. You physically have to put it in there. Because look. You see this withdrawal penalty ends in 90 days. Like, your funds that you put in here, chilling. Don't gotta worry about it, right? The funds that your initial investment is chilling in your MetaMask or wherever you do with it after that, right? So my 45 coins are still in my MetaMask. This 1.24 coin is on Superbid. And if you go down here, you can see. Let me just draw it because I forgot you can't see my mouse. Right here, I can withdraw 10% of my rewards, right? But minimum withdrawal is 20, but current available reward is 0.12, right? So I can withdraw 10. But I'm just gonna keep this in here for the full, 90 days? And we'll see what I can withdraw in 90 days, right? So So this is what I'm currently on right now. That's what I'm just wanted to show you guys. This is what I was excited for today, because that's what I was doing in the morning before I started streaming. That's why I was on so early. I was just like, well, I'm already on here, you know, I might as well just get the ball rolling. And this is dipping down. This is a very good opportunity to buy some. There's not that much volume in it too. Like right now, it's picking up a little bit, but as you can see past right here, it just boom. And I wouldn't doubt that we get another quick jump. But we'll see what those 90 days do. Oh, it looks like Bitcoin isn't even doing that. So we found the support again. We're testing the support. This resistance is really fucking us right now. What is it looking like? What did I say earlier that Bitcoin was gonna fall to? Like, if we drop down this support, I'm gonna wait. I would wait for another entry point. This looks like a upside down cup and handle, just right there. Where's my brush at? Oh shit, I did too many dots. Hopefully it's... Like, I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm hoping this is just a boom. Which is what my prediction was over here, but we just did this, and then kept going. Why? Like, for what? Hold on.
I look at all the people that work in the medical field. They can't be wrong. Hey, I lived the better part of my life. I want to enjoy the rest of my life.
Get back to what you love. For more information on COVID-19 vaccines, go to youtube.com/vaccine info. Brought to you by YouTube and the Vaccine Confidence Project. For informational purposes only. Consult your local medical authority for advice.
Sweater. It's freezing in here. Ew. I don't know why it's so cold. Yeah, it kind of seems like it was part of the plan, because if Doge is just taking off, why would anyone want to go to Bitcoin, right? If they're gonna see Doge, people are becoming millionaires off Doge. Like, why? Like, it's just making a joke out of the whole space, you know? That's what everyone's saying. Oh yeah, they were like on Elon yesterday, and Elon was just trolling though. Like, for what? Let me bring up his Twitter. Let me bring up his Twitter right now. Actually, we'll see what was going on. Like, why he needed to talk about all that, like, on Twitter. And he said that Bitcoin's highly centralized, and that was posted everywhere on, like, it was posted on Voyager, and everyone was talking about it. Let me open up Elon Musk right now. Elon Musk. So if we go to his thing, tweets and replies, since you really have to dig into it, right? Why is my stream? Hold on. Do I have too many things open? I'm just gonna close some of these because my camera quality started to fall. All right. Tweets and replies. To clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. Can he, like, can we even believe that? We would have to look at the hash rate, like the transaction thing, and see if it's true, and we'll have to know if that's Elon's wallet, right? That's like the only way. Or Tesla's wallet, whatever. You find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. You see, they're just accusing him. They're accusing him of dropping his Bitcoin. They're accusing him of dipping out of Bitcoin. They looked at Tesla's wallets. Did it dip? Did they? They're still holding, huh? You see, like, why would he still be holding if he's really concerned about, oh, it's a centralized exchange, oh, it's wasting too much power? If he's really against the fossil fuel emission or whatever he said it was, like, why would you still be involved in that coin? I'm not the smartest Bitcoiner, but I will do my best. Because Litecoin is... Doge is built off Litecoin, which is built off Bitcoin, right? This is saying, whether you believe it or not, it's irrelevant right now. The implications are in play. And there are two specific ones I want to discuss. Doge investors will get wrecked. You're increasing the workload of Bitcoiners. Maybe because of the pricing, right? Maybe. Because that's... Literally, when I got into crypto, it was at all-time highs. It was probably like... Right here, I saw it and I was like, whoa, this is crazy. So to dip 20 grand since then? Look at this. This looked like fine trading. This looked like a chart that was going somewhere. Like when I do other charts, they kind of look volatile and all over the place, but this is just doof, doof. Even if we go to Doge, like, I don't need all this. I'm gonna delete all this. Like, look, that looks like a fine chart to me. Not too much dips, just little corrections here and there, but. And then look at, here's another consolidation about to happen, I feel. Something like this right here. And we're underneath. Yeah, this is... You see this chart? Just looking at this chart alone makes me want to trade Doge and not Bitcoin. Like, this looks like an early chart. This looks like a young chart. Like it's barely like it's barely starting. It's barely beginning life. Oh, this is on the hour. Looks like a birth of a new era right here. I have a theory, actually. What's stopping them from just being like, fuck it, Dogecoin, new Bitcoin? Like, how ironic would that be? Bitcoin crashes and Dogecoin just takes over the value of Bitcoin. Like, that would be the ultimate irony. Hmm. 75% of my portfolio is now Doge. And you see a lot of people are transitioning to that. So if a lot of people are transitioning to that, if we take away the whole, like, the whole thing of decentralization, the whole thing of the correct move, the correct place to do, because obviously people aren't doing that. People aren't doing the right plays. People aren't, like, going with their own research. They're going with what they see a majority of people doing. And I see a majority of people investing in Doge more than anything else. People don't even have bags in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like, it's changing. The space is changing. People don't want to. There's people that are in for Bitcoin, in for Ethereum. But there's still those people that are not in them, and that are just like, I'm just trading Doge. I just know Doge. Like, literally, a lot of people only get the meme coins. So if a majority of the people are only getting the meme coins, like, what's stopping the space from just changing the standard? If the majority of people are invested in Doge, Shiba, XLM, sure, ADA to make a new smart contract, what's to say that these others won't be left in the dust? Like, there was I wasn't here when the first bull market happened, but wasn't there like the top 20? There's like, not, let me see the old previous bull market top 20 crypto. I don't know what they were, but I know there was like a bunch of names in the top 5, top 20, whatever, that aren't here today. Are definitely not here today. They're definitely not in the top 20. They're definitely not doing the numbers that they were previously. I think there's a. I need to figure this out more. I know there's like a history thing on here where you can see like what the previous rankings were. Historical snapshots, there you go. I say like 2011, right? 2011. Wow, we only go back to 2013. What are we in right now? May 17th? Let's go to May 19th. Let's see. What do we have? 2013. 8 years ago. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Namecoin, Purecoin, Novacoin, TerraCoin, DevCoin, Feathercoin. Did this change? This is still here today. Literally, still here today. We can't get this anywhere. 121.99. There's not even Ethereum here. Ethereum took over half these coins. So what's this? And look at what is Min coin, CHN coin, like barbecue coin, barbecue coin. Do you see barbecue coin 14 on the coin market cap in 2013? Namecoin. Look at that. Like, what's stopping Bitcoin from just becoming Namecoin? Like, if everyone's just interested in Doge, interested in all these altcoins, why would they ever want to go back to Bitcoin or Ethereum? Because, like, I don't see why these coins are not real. But, like, 8 years ago, 2013. Look at that. The market cap was, what is that? 1 trillion? Oh no, 1 billion. Litecoin was pretty popping back then, huh? Let's go back. Let's see. I want to see what year was Ethereum, like 2016? Look at this, is barely when we get XRP. It was 2015? Not yet. Oh, Dogecoin was here. Look at that. Look at that price for Dogecoin. Paycoin's still here. So I guess a lot of these will stay. Now we're in 2015. I don't see it. Maybe it was late in the summer. There we go. Yeah, 2015. Wait, is that really the price of SHIB today? Huh. And that's 7. Is this financial advice from Holy Shit? I believe Holy Shit just gave us some financial advice right there with that SHIB price. Let me see. Oh, look at that. 3 zeros. What is that? Wow. Literally, Dogecoin being on 7 in 2015 is actually pretty crazy. Let me see. Actually, Doge seems to be the only one that's been sustaining since it's been released. Oh, imagine this Cardano price right now. Oh, Doge fell over here, huh? Did I pass it? Doge is a good price right now, 48. I can't believe it went back to 48. Right here, 35. I found it. Dogecoin at 35 right there. Everything just took a major dip for what? Oh, I'm like... $23.50 Binance coin. Whoa. Imagine that. Really? Look at this right here. Look at these fluctuations of Bitcoin on August of last year. 11,000. 11,000. Boom, 10,000. 10,000. Has Bitcoin become more volatile then? Yeah, literally. Towards the end, you can see the beginning of the bull market start right here. Look at around November, October. Because we see this trading sideways for a cool minute. 11, 11, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11, 13. What the fuck? Really? Remember when Bitcoin went up to 20K and then dropped back to 8K? Look at 13, 15. Ethereum jumped. And then what do we see here? Cardano hit 10 cents. EOS hit 254. B-Chain at 1 cent. Oh, what the hell? Uma's been around. 2. What I'm seeing, the lower caps come up. So they were looking at but like, if you see right here, because if we were looking at these back then, because once I got into this the bull market this time around, people started talking about these coins: Basic Attention Coin, Algorand, Ren, Zilliq. Oh, Zilliq. You see, there's some in there that are just ready to mess with you. Because Zill's still staying at the same price, so would that be a good buy maybe? Oh no, it's not. It was at 8.18, not 1. Oh damn, that's a lot actually. Most of these I still see on the top 20. Saya coin, Terra right here, 30 cents. Engine. We saw the engine pump, and then it came back to stabilize. Maybe we can find something just based off of the previous coin market cap postings. Oh, here's Anchor. Anchor is a good one right now too. That was a 13 cents. What was it here? Yeah, a lot of these alts are still gonna push through. So we have Cardano at 10 cents here. Let's keep going. Cardano's been on top for a while, almost the whole year. Oh, you can see it pumping right here as we speak. Look at it. Going through the weeks, Cardano's 15 cents, 16 cents. Jumping back and forth. Pretty 20 cents right there at the past next week. What are we gonna have? A consolidation here? What is it? Cardano 30 cents the next week after that. 40 cents and then back down. But look at this is this year. In the beginning of the year, Cardano was 34 cents. Cardano 66. This is around the time right here. This is the time I entered the space. And we still had Dogecoin at 10, the 10th place. This is when I was like, I'm interested in Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens would have been a great buy here when I first started. I was still on regular Coinbase. I wasn't even using Coinbase Pro. Dang, look at that. 66 cents. Chainlink was 24. I day traded Chainlink a lot early. I got some good profits on it. Oh, this was the week of the Doge hype. I got it at like 2 cents, and then the next... I got it right here. Look at... Right here. This is when I bought Doge. I was on Robinhood, and I was like, let's see what this cryptocurrency thing is all about. I put 10 bucks into Doge that day at 3 cents, and then the next day it was this, and I was like, what? Crypto is crazy. Like the next week, whatever it was. Crypto is crazy. And then we got back into the normal range of 6. But then Cardano was just pushing up. Look at that, $1.10 instantly. That's way too much. $1.10, $1.31. Literally, we're sitting there since the 28th of February. We are in fact due for a pump on Cardano. Look at that. We traded that. 131. We had an engulfing candle. We must have had an engulfing candle. We went back down to all that price action was gone. 106. That's when we were getting some healthy dips. This was still a good buy. Still a good buy. Still a good... Look at how much... Look at how many opportunities Cardano gave you to jump in at a good price. It's sustaining. A little bit of a jump in a week. Just chilling. Another little dip for you. Anyone right there would have been good. 33. Another good, still good buy in my opinion. May 9th. 177 on that Cardano. Cardano was asking everyone for their money. They're like, hey, come give us money. Hey, can you give us money? Hey, how about some money? Because look it. If you go to the Cardano.org, Cardano is just mainly proof of stake. All it is, Cardano is you need to have Cardano in order to make Cardano work. So they want people to be in Cardano so they have someone to delegate their things and govern their things. So let's see. Let's go stake. They had a calculator here last time. Let me see. Is this the same one I'm on right now? They had a little calculator here last time. I don't know where it's at. Whatever. I think that was a different website actually. Let me see. I just want, okay, we'll just use this one. I saw a picture, where'd it go? So you need 5 minimum ADA. You need $5 minimum, and you can stake it. Look at that. That's an average. It's not this anymore. I guarantee you. I checked the other day. It was not that high. 7.18% APR on your Cardano. That must have been like, I don't know how long ago, because it's definitely not the case right now. Quid. He wants to know what is quid. Sandal? What about sundial SNDL? Kush. Oh, duh. I was like, what's sandal? I forgot that was a weed stock. Look at that. Cardano's telling us to buy again. Cardano's like, hey, I heard you guys missed me at $1.06. I got you at a $2.05. That's looking promising. Lost 10 cents. 10 cents in investment on here. I want to do a quick little chart on this. On what was it, ADA? We don't have much information, but let's just go based off here. We're at this range right here. Consolidation right here, literally right here. Not financial advice, but if I had 10 G's right now, I'd put 10 G's on Cardano. For sure would put 10 G's on Cardano right now. I'll do the 30-minute right now. I just want to get a good, like, I want to get good ranges on here. I don't know how good. this right there. Okay. Boxed in right here. I guarantee you, the lower we get into this chart of the time frames, we're gonna see us boxed in right here. Let's see. Boom. Boom. See that? I'm gonna zoom out real quick again to go to the day chart, so we could see. Look at that support right there. Call the support. Called the support. We're still have to wait for that thing to form, obviously, but let's keep going down. Boom. Look at that. Live action calling the support. We see that green right there forming. They can't even see it because the candle's in the way. You see that? Boom. The body's literally on that support I just drew before we get down here. Before we get down here. Boom. This is a fake. We're going to show a fake out, I think. It's looking like a little downtrend right here, but we're going to break out. Something like this, maybe. Let me see if we can find a lower support, right? If we are right here, maybe right about there. Oh shit, I want that. Consolidation zone. I'm gonna call this the scary zone, because if we get into the scary zone, so we may, like, in this area, we're gonna do a little bit of fake outs, you know, but unless we start trading in here, then I'm not really worried about it, and we should come back up. Because we could even draw a trend line, I believe, right here. And it should. It broke trend right there. Let me go lower. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You know what? Actually, we can use a harmonic for this, I think. I'm going to go back to 4 hour. Because we got this major price. Let me go back to charts. I mean candles. Any more room? I do need this actually. Boom. And then boom. I'm gonna pull out those ranges real quick too. I'll put it in another scene. Boop. Boop. Oh, there we go. Let's try to do this right here real quick. On this, I want to put this on this chart real quick. I'm gonna just draw a quick harmonic thing. I want this open though, so I can reference it a little bit. So we would go from A to B. Let me see. A to B should be like 38.2 to 61.8. So we're here, 4.81. And then B to C has to be 61.8. 61.8 to 88.6. Where the fuck? Oh, D. I forgot about D. Hold on. Let's do this again. Boof. Boof. And then... right here, maybe? Oh, and then it has to go back up. Whatever, we didn't get the harmonic. Cannot figure it out. When I figure it out, I will let you guys know how to do that. But until then, we're gonna just keep looking at this chart. I do think there's gonna be a little tiny like, oh, you know what? We're still on that dip actually, right here. So this one, and then maybe B would be like over here. And then the C would have to go like right here. And then maybe something like that. Oh shit, Control Z. Maybe we go down to 150? If we're gonna fall. Maybe 160. I think maybe something like that is what we'll see. Because this is coming down, so maybe more this way. Somewhere along this range. And then this will probably come out a little more. Oh, shoot. Maybe the consolidations is actually right here. I would stop loss here. Is that 3-to-1 risk? Where's this thing? If we enter here and we want to triple our money. This is what I would. This is the view I feel like would be good. I don't want this. I just want, or this harmonic. I think this is a. I think this is about right. I think this is what the play should be. If you want to get into Cardano, I would get in $1.80 and then $1.63. And if we get anywhere outside this range, I would stop your loss. I would stop loss for sure. Because if we get down right here, we lose all price action that we've done in the past. What is this, week? That's 11 days. That's almost 2 weeks. If a candle takes us all the way down here, it's going to take away the price action from the previous 2 weeks. This is what I think I would do. Because this is going to dip down for sure. Oh, what did I do? Should I publish this? I think I'm gonna publish this. I guess if we dip below the scary zone, this would be the play. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll save this. This could be, I don't know if I'm off a little bit. Because how much of a drop is this to this price? Negative 6,474. Oh, that's a big jump actually. Pretty confident in this. We'll see how this plays out a little bit. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go mine some fiat because I want to get into this Cardano price when it jumps to it. So I will stream maybe a little later on today. Again, I just wanted to hop on here real quick for a few hours and just see what the market was doing for now. And I wanted to show you guys about that super bit thing if you guys wanted to check that out, or you can see the VOD and you'll see if you figure it out. My videos are not that structured, so hopefully I get a little bit better and there'll be more of like an itinerary, I guess. But I'll be streaming later on tonight. What's Doge at? Following that cup and handle I drew. Poof. Still downtrending though. Alright, well I'm gonna leave it at that for now. I'll stream a little bit later today too, and we'll see where we get. Thank you guys for joining. Please continue to support my stream and subscribe and like and leave a comment. Comments definitely will help a lot. And I'll see you